Ubufakazi weshumi nesikhombisa ongene ebhokisini lofakazi namhlanje ophenyweni lokushona kwalowo owayewuDokotela uNeil Aggett eNkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli. UKeith Coleman owayeboshwe ejele laseJohn Voster Square ngalesosikhathi wethule ubufakazi wathi ukushiywa kwakhe esitezi eyedwa iMpelasonto yonke noKapteni kwakuyinto ethusa kakhulu.
UKeith Coleman uthi ngesikhathi sesitokisini wayesiwe ehhovisi likaConrad nalapha ephoswa khona imibuzo. Uthi babengambizi ngoKeith, babe nendlela yabo yokumbiza eyinhlamba. Uthi babemhlukumeza bemthuka zonke izinsuku. Uthi bambuza ukuthi uyamazi noCedric Mason, waphika ukuthi uyamazi. Uthi lokho kwabathukuthelisa kakhulu nekwenza ukuthi bamhlukumeze kakhulu.
One day Struvic came into the room where I was writing my statement, and he said, "Tell me about Cedric Mason." And I said, I don't know Cedric Mason. He's a priest, isn't he? And he got very angry. He started to scream at me. And I still denied knowing Cedric Mason. He got unbelievably angry. Struvic was a very big guy, very big man, very powerful, very strong. He walked around the back of my chair, which I was sitting on, it's a wooden office chair, and he simply picked me up. He picked up the chair, and he was screaming at me, and then he dropped the chair, and I hit the ground with a real thud. I saw the power and the violence in that man.
Ujele eNkantolo ukuthi uStrivic wafika nendodana yakhe esitokisini ayehlaliswe kuso, watshela indodana yakhe ukuthi ayimshaye.
He said to his son, "Hierdie is die Jood." And clearly he'd spoken to his son about me. And it was a moment of horror because I realized that Struvic spoke to his family about what he did. And his wife must have known. His son certainly did. And they both took me upstairs in handcuffs. I think it was to the 9th floor that weekend. And his son sat in the interrogation while Struvic abused me. It was bizarre.